Hey kings and queens, today is Friday. I have my family with me. We're going to get ice cream. I'm on my home time. Look, hey, say hello.
Hey.
Say hey. Come on. Thank you. So strong. Thank you. Such a gentleman. Hello. Good. How are you? Ooh, what do you want?
Green one.
You want green? You want green or blue?
I want the blue.
You want the blue one?
No, I want the blue one.
I know what I want. Y'all got to get it together. I know what I want. I know what I
I want the yellow one.
Okay, so I would like to do a small. I'm just gonna get a small. Like it. Let me get cheesecake ice cream.
What size is small?
Yeah. Can I get cookie dough in it and strawberries in it? Can I get chocolate chips in there? And that's it for me.
In a cup or a cone?
Let's do a cup for me. Shadi? Shadi Nasir? Alright, what are we doing?
The blue.
Okay, you gotta use the bathroom. Alright, hold on. Mommy, can you take Ace to the restroom?
Yeah.
I mean Nasir. What ice cream you want?
The blue card.
You want blue? This is my nephew Nasir. How old are you?
7.
7 years old. And what are you doing after this? You about to head to football practice? You say you got a game tomorrow? Who y'all play?
I don't know yet.
Okay, who you play for?
For those parts.
T-Bird?
Yes.
Oh, okay. What's your position? You play flag? Tackle. Nice. Okay, tell the lady what you want.
Can I get one of the blueberry cones?
You want the small two for that?
Yeah. You want a cup or a cone?
A cone.
Okay, cool.
So the blue one, right? What topping do you want in it?
You get to pick all of these toppings.
Can I have some rainbow sprinkles and some gummy bears?
Ooh, and what else?
And some Twix.
Twix. Oh, snap. And a waffle cone? What type of cone you want? What's his options?
You got the dip one or you have the
Got a dip cone. You can get a dip cone. Oh, the cone's right here. Well, I want to write you tell that. The cone's right here. Decisions. What are you getting? Whoa.
A cone.
Okay. Okay, wait. You gotta wait. Come over here. You gonna tell the lady what you want. 2 hands, not serious. Let's have a seat. Take a seat. Come on, Shadi. Come on, tell the lady what you want. Okay, cool. I got a cup too. What color you want, Ace? What ice cream you want? Green. He said green.
what topping?
All right, let's go pick what you're getting in it. Do you want this in it? You want this? You want gummy bears?
Gummy bears.
Gummy bears, and what else? What else you want in your ice cream? What else you want in your ice cream? Come over here. You got sprinkles, M&M's.
I want sprinkles.
You want sprinkles? Okay, we're doing sprinkles.
Sprinkles like this.
Rainbow sprinkles or chocolate sprinkles?
Rainbow sprinkles.
Rainbow sprinkles.
All right.
Can I get a cup, sorry?
Yeah, he's gonna get it in a cup. All right.
That one?
Thank you.
Welcome.
Now Now your turn, mommy.
Okay.
Hey, mom, what you getting?
Rock and roll.
Oh, rocking and rolling and rocking.
I want chocolate chip. Roasted almond. You don't have no marshmallows?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
Yeah, some marshmallows. Okay, that's it.
And a cup or a cone?
In a cup.
Is it good? Yeah.
Yes.
No, can you add You say?
25.47.
Okay, this is mine. I got strawberry inside, chocolate chip cookie dough inside of cheesecake ice cream. It's good. Give me a kiss. So good, make you dance. You're welcome. So the ice cream was good.
Ice cream was
Great. Well, we're headed out.